This is an introduction to Buddy Punch's time tracking software. There's quite a few options that are offered for employees to be able to punch in. Employees can access Buddy Punch using multiple devices such as desktops, tablets, or smartphones. And in addition to logging in with usernames and passwords, we offer alternatives such as 4-digit PINs and QR codes. This page that we're looking at currently is the administrator's dashboard. From here, we can see pending approvals, employees that are currently punched in, and employees that are punched out. This offers you a quick overview to see who's currently working, how long they've been working, and additional details. Let's navigate over to employee time cards here. With the employee time cards, you can view these per pay period. This page gives you a quick overview of the hours that employees have worked for this current pay period. And we can also hit view to get more details for the individual employee. The details that you can view will include the employee's in and out times. If they did punch out for any breaks, that will be included here, as well as the time that they were in and out and the duration of that break. On the time card, you can also add any missed punches that may have occurred from the employee or update existing punches through this edit option here. Scrolling down further, you're going to also see the totals for the hours that they've worked during this pay period or any PTO that they may be taking. Another option that can enhance your experience is adding managers. Under employees, we can take any existing employee and make them a manager. It's as simple as changing one option here. And then we can assign employees to managers. So you can have several managers and assign the correct employees to them. They can have the option to view the employees' time cards or even approval, which will allow them to edit punches or add missing punches for those employees that they're assigned. Another option included with our time tracking software is our alerts and reminders. This can really help you to control your cost. One such alert is our overtime alert. Going in here, we can set that up and you can set intervals at either weekly or daily, and you can set the number of hours so that you'll receive an email or push notification when employees are at that threshold that's been set. Two other features that can help you control your cost are the punch limiting and punch rounding. With punch limiting, you can set up rules where your employees are only able to punch in during certain time periods. So that can prevent them from punching in too early or punching out too late. You can also go and choose which employees these rules will apply to. Similarly, we have the punch rounding rules that can be set up. These can be used when you have employees that may be punching in a little bit early or a little bit late. So you can set up punch rounding for both the in and out punches. When you set these up, you have the option to round the punches up, down, or to the nearest of whatever increment you select here. And the same with punching out. And you can select which employees this applies to as well. Next is one of the most important parts of utilizing any time tracking software. That is to do with payroll. Now, we do offer integrations with these payroll partners that you can see here. So there are quite a few that will simplify your payroll process if you're using one of these providers. If you aren't, we also have a convenient payroll export. The payroll export allows you to view different pay periods and select from those. You can export the report or view a simple breakdown of what the report contains. This will have your employees' details, the regular time worked. If there were overtime, there would be an additional column here, and PTO that was used. That wraps up our higher level introduction of Buddy Punch's time tracking software. If you are interested in learning more about other features or have questions in general, I encourage you to reach out to our team.